today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the clutch pedal return spring, which will be located on the clutch pedal arm in this small little hole right here. And the spring will be attached to this small hole on the frame. Your old spring on your Willys Jeep may look like this, where it's all stretched out and warped and bent and just not operating the way it should be. And over here, as you can see, this is a brand new spring, which would be installed. The only tool you're gonna need for this install is a pair of vice grips with your new spring orientated in this direction with this hook facing towards you. Hook it on to your clutch pedal arm, like that. And now this hook will be attached to this hole. Using a pair of vice grips, clamp on to the very far end of this hook. And now you will pull this hook onto that hole. Taking you guys around to the interior of the Jeep, and we're at the pedal now. And now if you give the pedal a quick push down, see how fast it comes up? That's what you want. Nice quick response time. And that is all due to that spring. The install of your new pedal return spring is that easy. And now your pedal arm will retract nicely and everything will work smoothly. Make sure you get a new spring if you're having problems with your return of your pedals and are not quick enough or not as responsive. And that's how you install your spring.
That's it. Subscribe.